Hi, it's Roger from Cosmo Boat. Now I'm at workshop. We're quite busy for the orders manufacturing. It's very lucky we have a 10-meter landing craft sit on the trailer. As we have not so many boats delivery on the trailer. This one is a very good example to show the boat sit on the trailer. So this is a 3XL hot deep coverless trailer we built by our own self, and it's a 10-meter by 3-meter landing craft with painted. So we make this custom extend canopy. It's aluminum pipe frames and with covers on the top. On the back of the boat, this anti-folding on the bottom of the boat. And then boat is designed for installation twin outboard engine. Twin engine. The right main would be twin 350, 300. And now let's have a quick look on board to see the finish of the boat. We have a storage here, this one, and then we have a small dash. I have small step. So driving from the starboard side, just have to see all the switch panels, Garmin package, everything ready. Music player, the gauges, everything. And here for the storage, can be used for the phone, the case here, and it's for open cabin for ventilations. We have the LED cabin light, the music players. Then we have move that down to the front deck. We have a lot of deck space, 2 fuel tank with inspection mesh, watertight, portable safe. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a very cool type of rest. About comfortable when you sit here. From the wrap door, the heavy duty winch, opening, safety chain, safety lock, and on the side of the boat we have very high readings all around the boat to make very safety for boat. And we have this waterproof canopy all the way to the back. This will be very practical boat for using for the island, for Southeast Asia, and very good for the cargos, for the small car, and for passengers. It can be load 25 passengers on board. So if you are on the market for the landing craft, please message me, and I will make very good service for you. Okay, this is about this boat. Bye for now.